Even Chatfield delivered a tidy and disciplined spell, picking up 3 for 57 in the first test against Pakistan at Lahore during the 1984-85 series. His efforts were instrumental in dismantling a strong Pakistani batting lineup, bundling them out for just 221 runs in their first innings. The lanky fast medium bowler showcased superb control over line and length, consistently troubling the batters. Let's rewind the clock and watch this brilliant spell in action.
First ball of the day from the college end coming up. One over has been bowled from the pavilion end. And that's the end of Qadir's innings. Comfortably taken by Coney in the second slip, and Pakistan have lost the wicket.
Well, there's a fine delivery on the very first ball. He was right on the target. Ball pitching slightly offside the off stump and leaving Qadir. I don't think Qadir was in line of the ball and got the outside edge. Well, it's a funny game.
I think he just stood there and waved his bat.
Yeah, he tried so hard, Chatfield. Now he comes on, he bowls his first ball and gets a wicket. Amazing.
There it is, once again, Chatfield bowling, and that is short and going away. And Qadir...
He missed the line.
Yes,
yeah, missed
the
the
line. And Coney saying thank you very much.
He just stood there and he played.
And that is out. Caught in the second slips by Coney. This was a low catch, unlike the one of which dismissed Abdul Qadir. It was fairly high. This was low, well accepted by Coney. And that's the...
उनको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है तो 4 रन का और इजाफा और अब 63 रन की बर्तरी पाकिस्तान को हासिल है और बहुत उम्दा शॉट और आउट होने का भी खतरा इसलिए कि उन्होंने ज़रा पीछे हटके इस शॉट को ऊंचा खेला था और मिड ऑन पे कैच हुआ तो इस तरह पाकिस्तान की इनिंग्स का जो है
Even Chatfield was a reliable and skillful right-arm fast-medium bowler who served the New Zealand cricket with distinction from the mid-1970s to late 1980s. He was known for his accuracy, stamina and unwavering discipline. Chatfield was the perfect foil to the legendary Richard Hadlee, forming one of the most consistent new ball partnership in New Zealand Test history. Although he did not have express pace, Chatfield relied on tight lines, subtle movement of the seam and relentless pressure to wear down batters. Even Chatfield played 43 test matches for New Zealand, taking 123 wickets at an average of 32.17, with the best inning figure of 6 for 73, including 3 times 5 wicket haul. His ability to bowl long economical spells made him a captain's asset, especially in helpful conditions. While he rarely grabbed the headlines, his contributions were vital in building pressure and creating breakthroughs for the team. In addition to his test exploits, Chatfield also featured in 114 ODIs, further showcasing his durability and a value as a dependable workhorse in New Zealand's pace attack. Even Chatfield had a very scary and unforgettable test debut against England in Auckland during the 1974-75 season, but sadly not because of his cricket. While bravely batting at number 11, he was hit on the head by a fast bouncer from Peter Lever. The blow was so serious that his heart stopped and he also swallowed his tongue. Thankfully, England's physiotherapist Bernard Thomas acted quickly. He gave him mouth-to-mouth breathing and heart massage, which saved his life. Chatfield was taken to the hospital immediately and luckily he woke up about an hour later. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.